What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be opening some boot loxes. Here we go. First one. Look at that. We got a legendary. An epic. Look at that. Look at that sass. Let's just... Right. Here we go. Another boot lox. We got 3 whites and a blue. Let's open up another one, shall we? Ah, this is just what I wanted. Oh, it's a duplicate. Never mind. Here we go. Let's open up another one. Oh, 3 whites. I mean blues. Oh, no, I'm colorblind or something. Oh, look at that. This is a great YouTube. Sombra. Let's equip that. That's a victory pose. Only 9 more to go, ladies and gentlemen. That is Toblerone. I mean Torbjorn. But what's the difference? Am I right? Or am I right? Just Oh yeah, man, this is being recorded. This is a let's play. A let's play. This is a let's play Overwatch. Hey, is that a steering wheel? Oh, it's Reaper. That's Reaper. I thought it was a steering wheel. Well, by the way, hello Logan, Jacob, whoever, Jody, I presume. Watch this. This is a shout out to I Gunganeer. I mean, bloke. Right, we still didn't get anything good. Nope. There we go. Right, last 3 lucky 3s. My arms hurts. We got Sparrow for Genji! Yeah! Man, imagine if I was a Genji main. That would be weird, wouldn't it? Well, that would be weird. Whoa! Right, here we go. Final loot box. Then like 16. Here we go. Whoa! Right, thanks for watching, TubeU. See you in the next one. There's not gonna be a next one. See you in the next one.